Cardano has already generated significant profits for several investors. So far this year, this up-and-coming cryptocurrency has risen 628%. It has, like many of its contemporaries, fallen from its high point in recent weeks. Is this the end of Cardano's story? Welcome to Cardano Future. If you want to win a $25 cash giveaway, check our comment section below and join our giveaway. Without further ado, let's dive in. Some analysts believe Cardano is on the verge of a comeback. We'll talk about the technicality and fundamental reasons we might see a price increase to a potential all-time high. We're going to look at it on a very micro scale. Cardano has a lot of catalysts ahead of it, as well as a good plan for the future, and all of these things are likely to enhance its price in the next months. Bitcoin has progressed to the next level of mainstream acceptability. It's considered a serious investment that can deliver real wealth now more than ever. Bitcoin is slowly transitioning from speculative investment to a form of asset storage. You should consider diversifying into Bitcoin in the same way that you diversify your portfolio across other financial products and currencies. Bitcoin's accessibility, acceptance, and utility are all increasing. More e-commerce companies are accepting cryptocurrencies as a form of payment, and there are more ways to spend Bitcoin every day, such as with cards that operate in physical locations. In Canada, the first Bitcoin ETF was just approved, making Bitcoin available to traditional stock exchange investors. Bitcoin's price is rising as more people become interested in it and invest in it. Furthermore, because it appears that more and more investors will join the Bitcoin bandwagon, we can expect the price of the cryptocurrency to continue to rise. This is why many people believe we are in the midst of a Bitcoin supercycle. The 4-year cycle theory has been followed by the whole cryptoverse. We believe that cycles are extending, which is one of the reasons we predict Cardano will climb again. This market, as a whole, is on the road to recovery. In recent months, Cardano has gained traction. ADA has risen to new highs as investors seek out more environmentally friendly currencies. ADA has increased 1,300% this year alone, surpassing gains of 1,030% for Binance Coin, 330% for Ether, and 59% for Bitcoin, making it the top 5 performing cryptocurrency. While the market remains concerned about the environmental friendliness of cryptos, Cardano's particular attribute may position the ADA coin to do well in the future weeks and months. Green coins, the largest and most well-known of which is Cardano, will experience a frenzy as a result of this. Cardano and other proof-of-stake coins are considerably more environmentally friendly than Bitcoin and Ether, and that might make a big impact as the crypto market as a whole begins to split into winners and losers in the coming months. For example, in the 24 hours following the introduction of its smart contract capabilities in September, more than 100 smart contracts surfaced on the blockchain. Cardano has a wide range of applications in the real world. You can, for example, keep your educational certificate safe. In agriculture, users can utilize the blockchain to track products from farm to table. But for Cardano, this is just the beginning. A 5-stage strategy has been established for the blockchain. This helps us to track its progress. If Cardano succeeds in reaching the end of its development process, it's feasible that this dynamic crypto player will be a 10-bagger. It offers a wide range of real-world applications, fast transaction speeds, and a goal to play a key part in the evolution of how businesses are conducted. In addition, the roadmap and peer review provide investors with some transparency. Having and sharing a plan is usually beneficial. Cardano could also multiply 10 times from a mathematical sense. It is now trading at around $1.31. Cardano's market value would climb to $429 billion if it rose to $13. That would place it in third place, behind Bitcoin and Ethereum. Since March 2020, Cardano has continued to bloom, and we've continued to set higher highs and lower lows to this day. After a higher high, we've made a higher low. You are still extremely undeniably early in terms of adoption. If this is the next layer of the internet, Web 3, the next technological revolution, it will have a tremendous and significant impact on everyone's lives. Pool Tool data shows that out of ADA's $54.6 billion market capitalization, $32.29 billion has been staked, accounting for 71.99% of the coin's entire supply. Because only 28.01% of the supply has yet to be locked, the ADA price may be supported. After the hard fork, we always witness a run-up followed by a period of consolidation before calling off the downtrend. You've seen the consolidation from the Alonzo hard fork, and there's been an incredible flood-storm surrounding ADA. Cardano's price is consolidating in a bearish trend that is poised to collapse. If the bears break through one major level, the stock will plunge to levels not seen in 6 months. Cardano's price has reached 4 lower highs and 4 equal lows since December 7. Connecting these swing points with trend lines reveals a falling triangle pattern. This technical structure predicts a 17% downswing by adding the distance between the initial swing high and swing low to the breakout point at $1.20. The probability of a crash is increasing as Cardano's price trades near the apex of the triangle at $1.24. A 4-hour candlestick close below $1.20 signals a collapse, sparking a 17% slide below $1. Investors should keep in mind, however, that the $1.15 support level will be crucial in preventing the impending disaster. If the selling pressure becomes too great, ADA will move to the next support floor at $1.02, which is near to the notional $1 target. This Cardano price decline is being supported by Into the Block's Global In and Out of the Money, or GIOM model, which shows that a substantial support level is present at about 97.7 cents. After acquiring 5.76 billion ADA, around 3,890,000 addresses are in the money and are likely to buy more if ADA declines. Furthermore, the 552,690 addresses that paid $1.27 apiece for 10.19 billion ADA are out of the money. If ADA rises in price, these investors may sell their holdings, exerting downward pressure on the stock. Finally, the number of big sales of $100,000 or more has dropped from 8,870 to 2,880 in the last month. Due to the law of diminishing returns in terms of ROI, so there's a lot going on and a lot at stake, and people feel irritated and pessimistic when they see the price drop like this. Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful, said legendary investor Warren Buffett. To put it another way, when the market is in a state of disbelief and depression, it may be a good moment to consider accumulating a position, keeping in mind that you are investing for the long run and the market may continue to decline in the short term. Keep in mind that market cycles may not always follow this pattern in some unusual circumstances. It's completely likely that you'll find yourself in a long-term bear market with further losses ahead. Cardano is one with solid long-term prospects. Long-term cryptocurrency investors will find it difficult to discover a more logically structured crypto project than Cardano. Despite the current gloomy sentiment, this isn't going to change. Cardano, if anything, has a strong buy-the-dip story right now. It's tempting to invest in showy cryptocurrencies that rise due to speculation rather than fundamentals. However, once the buzz fades, those coins are more likely to fail in the long run. Because of their novel use cases and technical benefits, Cardano has a higher chance of maintaining its robust growth rates. With this, we have come to an end. Thank you for watching the video. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and hence should not be considered as financial advice. We all know that the crypto market is highly volatile, and by the time you watch this video, the prices would have changed to a whole new level. So, all the financial decisions should be made after doing your wide spectrum research. Also, make sure that you like this video, comment down your thoughts regarding this video, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated about the latest crypto news.